Welcome. If you want to transfer data from HTC Desire 12S to other Android smartphone, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, get application to transfer data, send anywhere, then download, and of course we have to do the same for the second smartphone. And right now just wait for HTC. Right now we can open, accept right here, then click continue, accept the permissions, and right now we can send the photos, videos, audio, apps, contacts when we grant the permission here, and other files, but it's only example, so I will send these two photos. So click send if you take everything that you want. Here you have to go for the receive on the second smartphone and input the key, this key of course, click receive, and as you can see the transfer is complete. And that's how we can send data. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.